Hello friends, let's do the file handling operations using C# and Visual Studio. So let's create a Windows based application which uses read and write operations from a text box. So let's create a new project with the language Visual C# and Windows Form application. So let's design a form and we'll take an objects like text box and couple of buttons. This is a normal text box. Let's change its properties. I'm changing its name to txt. Let's say notepad, and one more property is required, that is multi-line. Change it to true so that it will look like a proper notepad text box. Let's take two buttons. One will be to read from the file, second will be to write something onto the file. To read, and this one is for write. Change their properties. Name, let's say btn write. This one will be btn read. Now the application that we are performing, we are reading from the file and we are writing something on a new file. So to perform these file handling operations in C#, we require two important classes, that is a stream reader class and stream writer class, and one more class which will be a text writer, so that whatever text that we are reading from the text box will get saved into the file. Let's write a code in C# to read something from the file. Before that, let's create a file. I'm just creating a new file. Let's say ABC. I'm writing something into this file. Save this and close this. Now we'll just read this particular file. Like I said, we have to use file handling operations. We have to use that classes. So all the classes related to file operations are available in system.io namespace. Now we'll use stream. Sorry, it should be in class. So we'll use stream reader equals to new stream reader. So here it's available. I think it's available on a desktop. So let's save somewhere on a drive. I'll save here in E drive. So that I'll have to give a small path. /abc.text. this is my stream reader. Now we require text writer class with the instance of stream writer. And we'll write something. We'll create a new file xyz.txt. Now on a button read, let's write a code to read the files. If any exception comes, it will throw that exception. Now we require one more variable. Let's take that variable. Lines. Now we are reading the file while line equals to not equals to null. So if this line is not equals to null, we'll have to just display on a text box. So our text box name is notepad.text equals to pad.text plus line. And let's see whether we can read that particular file. So yes, so this is the content from the abc.txt. And let's perform the write operation. For write operation, we'll have to write the code on write. So there are simply 2 lines of code. So here we'll have to just use that object, text writer object, and write whatever the content of text.text and close that object. So all this stream reader, text writer, stream writer classes are actually inherited from an abstract class called as a stream. So let's execute this and try to perform a write operation. I'll write something. Let's take this content only and run an operation in advanced Windows application. So I've just added that content. So just click on write. So I've not put the message over there, but let's see a file is created or not. So in E drive, you'll see XYZ is created with the content. So that's it.